Hello and welcome to Senturus Power BI Visualizations Intermediate. My name is Patrick Powers, trainer, data architect, and developer here at Senturus. This module is on sorting. In this module, we will see how to enhance our reports with sorting by reviewing the different options available. This will also include using one field to sort another field. For users, data will typically need to be sorted in a way that makes business sense. Depending on the complexity of sorting needed, Power BI provides multiple options. Quick sort buttons are available as well as detailed functionality. A very handy feature is sorting fields by other fields. This is something typically used with date values, as we will see in our demo. Here we are back in our Power BI desktop environment, and we're going to build a visualization and then sort it. In order to quickly see trends and patterns, users will want to see visualizations sorted. We'll start it off by creating a new page, and in the visualization pane, we're going to bring in a clustered bar chart. We're going to go ahead and resize that to fit the canvas. And from our fields, from dim product, we're going to check the box next to product line. From fact internet sales, we'll bring in sales amount. Note the default behavior of a descending sort by the sales amount. We can change this as desired. In the actual visualization, click the More Options ellipsis, and here we see our sort ascending and sort descending, as well as a sort by. So let's just go ahead and change this to a sort ascending. Same data, but in a reversed order. Let's see what happens when we want to go ahead and sort by the product line itself. So we can go to sort by and change it to product line. Now we're alphabetically sorted based on the values of this field. Now that was a very simple basic sort using the built-in functionality, but let's see how we can sort based on another sort field. Go ahead and create a new report page, and I'm going to add a table visualization to this one. From dim order date, I'm going to bring in month name. And from fact internet sales, sales amount. Here we see a very common problem. The default sort behavior is to sort on this month name, April, August, December, etc. No user is going to want to see data in this format. If we look at the options available to us, under sort by, it's either month name or sales amount, and that's our only two options. Notice that we can't even do a descending or ascending on this. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to change it using the ribbon. First, we need to get our contextual ribbon showing. So we're going to click on month name here under dim order date. Now we've got our additional contextual menu options, and we're going to go to column tools. You'll notice here we have sort by column as an option. And any of the fields that are in that table are available to us for sorting. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick month number of year. We see that I don't have to do anything to the visualization. It automatically updated and sorted in the correct order. That's it for this module. In this one, we sorted our visualizations with the basic options and through the use of another field. Tune in to our next video where we will cover filtering. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and check back for the next entry in the series. Thank you.